today I'm doing the 2-year update on this Range Rover. Yep, it's almost just probably about 3 weeks past the 2-year mark and still no issues. All I've done was pretty much lowered it 1.5 inches in the back, 1 inch in the front. Got a lowering kit that I did for it, and I'll put the link on the bottom of what I have. They actually work pretty good, just got to glue the ends on because the rubber ends seem to fall off. And yeah, it's pretty much no gaps now, just left a little good inch gap on it just because I had a lot of issues with hitting the bump stops. But yeah, turns right on. As you can see, you'll see no check engine lights, no lights on. Those are all turned off here in a minute. Yep. And still to come, put my seatbelt on. And you can see, oh yeah, my camera broke. And that's pretty much after the spoiler flew off on it a year ago and finally got the recall. So that'll be getting replaced this summer more than likely. They said they'd let us know as soon as they're in. As of right now, don't know when it'll be coming in, but hopefully soon. And as you can see, I mean, right now, just driving normal, but no squeaks, no dings, nothing. But still, oh, that's like a motherfucker. No issues. But yeah, more to come. Yeah, so pretty much this whole year, I've really had no issues with it. Just, I think all I've actually had to do is, after lowering it, I had an alignment done on it because it was chewing up my tires. And like I said, I lowered it I had lowered it about 2 inches, but it was just a really rough ride. Kept hitting the bump stops and it just wasn't riding really well. But then I found out that if I had lowered it to 2 inches, they were not going to be able to align it very well. So I went ahead and just lowered it 1.5 inches in the back to level it with the front, and I lowered the front 1 inch, and it looks pretty nice actually. I'm happy with the results. But other than that, I mean, all I've done to it is change the oil. I did a transmission service on it a few weeks ago actually, and all is good, running fine. I used the original transmission fluid. I had it done. I could have done it myself, but again, I'm not going to deal with it much yet. But yeah, you know, if you're going to get a Range Rover 2006 and up is what I recommend. They come with the Jag engines instead of the BMW train, and they're pretty bulletproof. But the only issue you got to find out is I'd kind of go with a non-supercharged versus supercharged just because of the timing chain issues. I called up on mine where I had a lot of the service done at I think it was the Tacoma, Jaguar, and Land Rover, and the timing chain guides have already been replaced, and really I'm not too worried about it anymore. That's pretty much the only thing I was really worried about when I bought this thing. That's why I put a warranty on it, and come to find out I might have not even needed it. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. Like I said, a year or two, no major issues, just your normal wear and tear and tune-ups. But till the next video, bye.